Hi everyone, my name is Miss Alex and today I'm going to show you how to make fairy houses out of toilet paper rolls. So what you will need is a toilet paper roll, paint, scissors, glue, a marker, and cupcake cups. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you'll want to paint the paper towel roll. You can do it whatever color you want, and if you don't want to paint it, you also don't have to. Once it dries, the next thing you'll do is you want to draw a little door at the bottom. So here's my door, and then you'll want to cut it out, but make sure you don't cut out one of the sides because you want it to be a door. You don't want it to come off completely. Alright, so after you cut it, see, we didn't cut this side. So now you have a little door, right? The next thing you're going to want to do is you can decorate it any way that you want. You can draw windows. So I'm going to draw windows on mine. Alright, so here are my windows and my little door. After you've decorated it the way that you want, the last thing that you are going to do is take a cupcake cup. You can either put glue on the top of the paper towel roll, or you can put it inside of the cupcake cup itself. I would suggest using this type of glue as opposed to a glue stick because I don't think that that will make it stick very well. I'm going to put some in the cup itself. Alright, once you have the glue on, all you do is put the cup on top of the paper towel roll. And you have the roof. So you have your roof, your windows, and your door. After that, you've made your little house, and you can put it in your plants like this with another one. You can use it with your toys, or you can just use it as decorations, whatever you want to do. You can also make a really tall house if you use a paper towel roll. So here's mine with the paper towel roll. It's really tall. You would just do the same thing as with the toilet paper roll, except we would put on more windows or more decorations, whatever you want. And then this can also go in your plants. So you'll have a little fairy village for your garden. So that's it really. It's a very easy craft to do. It doesn't take a lot of materials, and the materials that it does require you probably already have in your house. So I hope that you enjoyed this craft. If you do end up making some of the houses, please feel free to share pictures of them in the comments, because we definitely would want to see those. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you.